start cleaning up around this building we just got done building. Yep, so let's start picking up some trash, cleaning up the place. So we're gonna start with the biggest piece of trash out here. It's gonna be this. I'm just kidding, guys. That's what we use for our daily to get to work.
Straight beast mode right here. No playing. Woohoo! Look at these little tiny forks. You can get these big old monster ones right here. Alright, so it's been a couple days since I've been to work. I've been sick, I had the flu. But we did get that building knocked out, everything cleaned up around it. Now I'm going to try and see if I can't turn this thing over and see if it starts. Got everything wired up in it. So let's see if she turns over. Awesome, we got power. Dash. At least we know we're turning over. Okay, I've been going through this whole thing. I've taken the spark plug out, testing to see if it has spark, and it does not have spark whatsoever. Honestly, I don't know if I don't have something plugged up to these. I've been trying to find everything. I've ordered diagrams, I've ordered the book. Still nothing. I can't figure out anything on this. Everything else is plugged in. I've been cutting into all the tape. I taped up all my wires just to find something that plugs into those. I don't know what it is, but I know it goes to the ignition module and the coil. One wire goes straight to the coil. But I don't know what gives the coil power, to be honest with you. But she turns over just fine. I know my battery sounds really, really weak, but I'll put that on the charger overnight and call it. Really wish I could figure out the no spark. So I'm gonna wrap up the video right here, guys. I've been trying to figure out why this thing has no spark. I'm not quite sure if I don't have something plugged up into these. I know this one runs straight to the top of the distributor, and this one goes to the ignition module. I'm really hoping this isn't out because this is $400. It's going to be out of my pocket. Other than that, everything's plugged up. Turns over just fine. I know my battery's a little shy there in my voltage. You can kind of hear it. So I will put that on the charger and everything like that. So I'm gonna wrap up the. Well, I'm recording. Awesome. I'm gonna wrap up the video there, everyone. Can't figure out why there's no spark in this damn thing. I will figure it out. I've ordered the books and everything. Went through those. The books, they didn't help me a single bit. Not even a tiny bit. So I am going at this kind of blindsided. Trying to find help out there with everyone that has a Chevy Luv. So if y'all have a Chevy Luv out there, and or you know about them when you rebuilt them and everything like that, please leave a comment down below. Or if you know about coils and how this thing works, just drop a comment down below. I'd really, really appreciate that. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos, go watch some of those for me. I'd really, really appreciate that. Man, just looking at this truck, it's just making me wonder why there's no spark in this thing. It's just crazy. So yeah, everyone, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't checked out my Instagram, go check that out. I post a lot more on that. I kind of post on that on the daily, really. I'll leave the link down below, and I'll tell you right now, it's a Low Love Life. I can't remember if I don't think it's all caps. I think they're all lowercase. So y'all go check that out. Yep, I'm gonna get out of here, guys.